A compass is an essential tool to take on a journey through an uncharted wilderness. Similarly, the new Sailor Compass fountain pen is an essential tool for embarking on a journey of learning and self-discovery. We invite you to take a sneak peek at this entry-level Japanese pen collection. The Sailor Compass takes on the classic, cigar-shaped profile of the best-selling 1911 collection in an explosion of color. The body and cap are injection molded from transparent resin and tinted in 9 different hues. Each fountain pen includes a converter with a piston knob that matches the color of the pen. To complete the demonstrator design, a clear feed carries ink to the stainless steel nib. The compass cap has a tapered, torpedo-like shape. A polished silver trim ring has the word Sailor, Made in Japan, engraved around the band. The clip is tension fixed and has a blunted, sword-like shape similar to the 1911's clip. A clear plastic inner cap sleeve helps keep the nib freshly inked when closed. Here's the Sailor Compass fountain pen, sized up against the Monteverde Monza, Pilot Metropolitan, Platinum Plaisir, and Sailor 1911 Standard. At the heart of the Sailor 1911 compass is the tried and true proprietary nib manufactured in Japan. At this time, the compass is only available in medium fine point. If you're familiar with the sizing of Sailor nibs, expect that this nib will lay down a tight line equivalent to a European extra fine. Filling the compass by an ink cartridge is fun to watch as the clear feed shows the capillary action. 2 black Sailor proprietary ink cartridges are included for convenient, quick filling. Please note the compass cannot be eyedropper filled and will leak from the end of the barrel. Trust me, I've tried. The feel of the translucent resin is lightweight and comfortable in hand with the cap posted. The grip section is on the smaller side, but the barrel step and threads are non-intrusive. The ink flow is what you would expect from a Sailor nib, precise, controlled, with enough wetness to keep your thoughts flowing rapidly. Those who are familiar with the Sailor brand will know the level of feedback to expect when writing with such a precise nib. The compass stainless steel nib has the same scritchy feel on paper as if you were writing with a highly sharpened graphite pencil. The higher degree of feedback may be a non-starter to some writers looking for a glassy, smooth writing experience. The medium fine nib has the precise control that writers would find agreeable with most paper types. This is worthwhile to consider because a fountain pen newbie may not possess ink-friendly paper. If you'd like to see more about Sailor's gold nib sizes available in the 1911 and professional gear, check out the nib comparison video to see a writing sample of each size. The Sailor 1911 compass can be the first step in a journey of a fledgling fountain pen enthusiast. For under $50, a fountain pen newbie can have the total package. A Japanese-made fountain pen with a reliable, precise steel nib, a matching color converter, and ink cartridges to start. As an entry to the Sailor brand, the compass will lead to exploring the premium 1911 and Pro Gear designs with their highly acclaimed gold nibs. Thank you for checking out our preview of the Sailor Compass fountain pen. If this video has been informative and entertaining to watch, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below to let us know what you think of this pen. Hit the subscribe button to follow Goldspot Pens for more fine writing videos, unboxings, and interviews with people from the pen community. Thank you for tuning in and stay inky, my friends. Take care.